Guys, so dumating yung 11-11 ko. Nice one. Napalitan ko na yung ito. Saka yung isa. Tapos ano pa ako, yung kasagabi, oh. Reflectorize. Nice one. Enjoy ang aking baby drinks. Nice one, guys. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Before and after, guys. Oh. Tatak ng Shopee, guys. Nice one. Guys, okay na, guys. Lagay ko lang yung sa ano niya. Temporary, taka yung reflectorize. Ayun na siya, oh. Nice one na siya, guys, oh. Linis na lang kulang, guys. Nice one. Okay na si Baby Drinks, guys. Saka may rides. Nice one.